Hi, Jeanette. It's Paul Meyers, Clark Communications. Sorry for the delay in getting this to you, but I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. So listen, this isn't about poking any holes in your current strategy. It's just to kind of show you what's available and how you guys can dominate and get more phone calls coming in. So as long as you have capacity at your shop, then what I want to show you over the next 5 to 10 minutes, I think you'll be very interested. So let's start right here in the search. So this is for Sault Ste. Marie. This is a special tool we use. I've used these keywords from your website. So kitchen cabinets, cabinet and furniture refinishing, home renovations, custom cabinets, and cabinetry. And this just shows you back last month, June 2019, there was 1,960 searches. More than half of those are on mobile. So people are searching for all these keywords in your area. So it's all about taking advantage of that and getting the majority of those phone calls. So that leads me to this, mobile friendly. Although I ran a test from Google on your site and it says mobile friendly, don't worry about this here image there. But when I take a look at it on my mobile, there is no phone number on the main page. So what you want to do is you want to put a phone number so that it's at the top, because if people are on mobile, the first thing they want to do is get in touch with you. And how they do that is just by hitting the button and it automatically calls. So that's the most important thing. The second most important thing is Google is forcing you to have an SSL certificate on your site. Otherwise, they're going to rank you lower in the search queries. And what do I mean by that? Right here, it says not secure. So anybody that comes there, it kind of scares them off, thinking, oh my God, the site's not secure, I'm out of here. So you can purchase an SSL certificate on the domain, and then you would get a padlock there, and then HTTPS. One of the most important things you can do. Okay, the biggest thing for Google is words. So Google has less than 1 second to provide a relevant search result for someone searching. So how you become an authoritative source for Google is you put a lot of words on your website that will link them and make them want to show you. So a couple things. All your competitors are doing the same thing. Nobody's doing this correctly. They're not putting enough content on here, which means when Google serves up a result, they're going to serve up based on a bunch of different factors, but we want them to use content as the main factor. Let me show you a site we did in North Bay, Dowdle Cabinets. So if you look at this one, it has a lot of words, a lot of great aesthetics, imagery, sliders before and after that people like, but a lot of words. So this site ranks really well. So it's possible to have both words on your site and images, because we all like images, right? So the most important thing is, number one, get content on here. The second most important thing are a thing called citations. A citation is your name, address, and phone number cited all over the web in different directories like Facebook, Yelp, 411 City Search, Foursquare. Those are all directories. And they actually help you get into the map pack in Google. So the more of those you have, the better. So let's just take a look at that. Bellevue Cabinets has only 12 of them. Kofra has 32, Kitchen and Home 36, Sims Countertops 25. So we need to go out and get another 100 or 200 more citations so that we can kind of cement you inside of the map deck, which is something I want to show you. So that's the most important thing. Also, when we take a look at your domain and the power of your domain and all of those things, I want to just show you a comparison between your domain, which is, this is another tool we use, your domain, and some others. But right now we're only showing 18 backlinks, 5 referring domains, and you're only being found for 49 keywords. Kofra 35, 11, 30. I'll just go through this. Kitchen and Home 13, 8, 42. Sims 83, 38, 294 keywords. A Square Corner, nothing here. And nothing on this one. This is a dealer site. So the good news is everybody is sleeping at the wheel. Nobody's paying attention to this. So you can capture the majority of these calls just based on what I'm showing you. So let me show you what happened when we did a search. So this is another window that I'm going to use. I'm using an incognito browser, so that means that any of my searches in the past won't have a bearing on this search. And I'm also not signed in to Google. So when I come in here, I use this special keyword, cabinet and furniture refinishing. I choose the location to search in Sault Ste. Marie, and then I get these results. And then these are the results up here in the tabs, and I'll go through each one of them. So when I search for cabinet and furniture refinishing, which is a keyword on your website, you're here in the map pack, which is excellent. But you're not here in any of the organics where a lot of the search happens and a lot of the clicks happen. When I come over here to cabinet refacing, same scenario. This is the paid strategy, which is also a good strategy, and we can help you with that. Again, this is what we call the map deck, which a lot of the clicks happen here, and you're not inside that. But again, you're not anywhere in here in the organics. If I look for home renovations, again, another keyword I took from your website. This is the paid people and the paid strategy. We're not inside the map deck, and we're not ranking organically. If I look to kitchen cabinets, one of your main products, this is the paid strategy. We're not inside the map deck, and we're not ranking organically. So the reason I'm showing you all this is based on all the search that's happening, which I showed you in one of my tabs here in this Google Ad Planner. I've showed you the amount of search that's happening monthly. Do you think you're getting enough phone calls? Look, if you're at capacity and you can't handle any more business, shut the video off. This is all about getting you more business, getting you more traffic, getting you more dollars in the door. And we're pretty darn good at doing just that. So these are just some of the little things I wanted to show you. Google tells you right here, the steps to a Google-friendly site is right here. Provide high-quality content on your pages, especially your homepage. This is the single most important thing to do. So right now, you don't have enough content on here, but neither do your competitors. They're all doing a very poor job with content. And remember, Google reads words. So when people search for things, Google only has the words on your page to determine if you are the right search result to show. So little things like these title tags we look at, like when I hover over this, and this says Bellevue Cabinetry and Interiors, it should also say / Sault Ste. Marie, maybe a postal code, maybe a phone number. You have 65 characters to use. You want to make sure you're using all of that up. And each one of these would be different. So this one here, for example, when I hover over it, it just says residential services, and it's the same title tag, Bellevue Cabinetry Interiors. We're not even telling people we're in Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. So it's extremely important to make sure that all these words get on this site to rank higher than anybody else. Last thing I want to show you is just the keyword density. So for your website, the keyword density, you have less than 2% for residential, less than 1.17% with the words cabinetry. The keywords that you want to be found for, you should be 5, 10, 12% in here, and you're not. And again, when I look to your competitors, Cofra, same scenario is happening here. They don't have enough keyword density to really allow Google to spread their wings. This guy here, a square corner, 5% for custom, 3.8% for corner, 3.85% for square. Again, all these metrics, the more of these that you get, on your site, the more chance you have of grabbing all this search, because this search is happening every single month, month in, month out. You can tell that's a 12-month plan right there. Half of it's on mobile, and your mobile has to be perfect. And right now, it just needs that phone number on there to really pop out and make sure people have an easy user experience. Listen, I hope this is kind of helping you, kind of showing you some of the opportunities that exist online. I'm here to help. I understand that you're running your business, and for the most part, business owners are busy doing just that. But this is what I do. I do this all day long, day in, day out. This is Sunday, and I'm still plugging away at this because I love what I do, and I love helping clients succeed. So my name is Paul Meyers. You can reach me at 705-491-2627. I'm with Clark Communications. We're in North Bay, but again, we can do this globally. It doesn't matter where we are, and we know what we're doing. So if I've shown you something that you'd like to take a look at, by all means, give us a call. Okay? Thanks, Jeanette. I appreciate your time. Bye-bye.